In this video, I will answer your questions about how to use Spacedesk on Windows 7 and whether or not it's actually possible in 2025. Let's dive in. The short answer, if you visit the official Spacedesk website, you'll see that the driver, the software that runs on your main display, is only officially available for Windows 10, Windows 11. There is no official download link for Windows 7 based on my research. Spacedesk appears to have discontinued support for Windows 7 entirely. What about older versions? I did extensive research and found some older videos showing Spacedesk working on Windows 7 from several years ago. However, in 2025, it seems the developers have stopped supporting this operating system altogether. So, the short answer is, officially, no. Spacedesk does not support Windows 7 in 2025. Should you still try? While official support has ended, I still recommend visiting the official Spacedesk website and attempting to download the Windows 10 11's driver to see if it will install on your Windows 7 PC. There's a small chance it might work, or it may give you an error message indicating incompatibility for real. If you can get it to work, if you're able to successfully install and run the Spacedesk driver on your Windows 7 PC, here's how the setup would work. Step 1. Download the driver on your Windows 7 PC. Attempt to download and install the Spacedesk driver from the official website. Step 2. Download the viewer on secondary devices. On your additional displays, tablets, phones, etc. Download the Spacedesk viewer from the appropriate app store. iPad, iPhone, Apple App Store, Android tablets, phones, Google Play Store. Amazon devices, Amazon App Store. Step 3. Open the driver console. If the driver opens successfully, make sure it is enabled. Step 4. Choose your connection method. Under Communication Interfaces, select your preferred connection. Option A. Wi-Fi network, local area network. Enable local area network. All devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Option B. USB cable. Enable USB cable for Android or iOS. Connect your devices with a physical USB cable. Step 5. Connect your secondary device. Open the Spacedesk viewer on your secondary device. If using Wi-Fi, your Windows 7 PC should appear in the device list. Tap it to connect. If using USB, tap the USB icon after plugging in the cable. The reality, because I cannot guarantee that the Spacedesk driver will function on Windows 7 in 2025, this remains inconclusive. The software may not work, or it may have compatibility issues. Your help needed. If you have a Windows 7 PC and are willing to test Spacedesk, please share your experience in the comments below. Your feedback will help others who are wondering the same thing. Purpose of this video. The goal of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to provide clarity about Spacedesk's limitations with Windows 7. While it may have worked in the past, official support has ended. To summarize, Spacedesk driver officially supports Windows 10 and 11 only. Windows 7, no official support in 2025. You can try, attempt to download, and see if it works. Share your results. Comment below to help others. If this video answered your questions, please consider subscribing to the channel. According to our analytics, 83% of viewers watching our videos aren't subscribed yet. By subscribing, you help us create higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.